Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Home Depot credit card, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the installation process for your Home Depot credit card, visit the official Home Depot website. Look for the Credit Services section on the home page. Click on the Home Depot credit card link. You will be directed to a page with detailed information about the card. Review the benefits and features of the credit card offered. When you're ready, click on the Apply Now button. Fill out the online application form with your personal information. Make sure to provide accurate details, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, enter your employment information and annual income. Review all the information you've entered to ensure it is correct. Once confirmed, submit your application. Wait for the approval process to complete. You will receive an email notification regarding your application status. If approved, follow the instructions in the email to activate your card. Once activated, you can start using your Home Depot credit card for purchases. For additional support, visit the FAQ section on the Home Depot Credit Services page. If you have any issues, contact customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.